Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Now the next topic is surds. Nth root of a is called a surd if n is natural number, n is not equal to 1. A is a positive rational number and if nth root of a is irrational. Or it is also defined as irrational root of a positive rational number is called as surd. nth root of a ये सर्ड्स होगा उस वक्त जब n ये नेचुरल नंबर होगा और n की वैल्यू 1 नहीं होना चाहिए, इट इज़ नॉट इक्वल टू 1, और a ये पॉजिटिव रेशनल नंबर होना चाहिए, और nth रूट ऑफ a ये इरेशनल होना चाहिए, उस वक्त हम कहेंगे कि इट इज़ अ सर्ड. नाउ लुक हियर, रूट इज कॉल्ड रेडिकल साइन, n इज कॉल्ड ऑर्डर ऑफ द सर्ड, यहाँ पे जो n है ये कहलाता है ऑर्डर ऑफ द सर्ड, a इज कॉल्ड द रेडिकेंड, और जो a है ये कहलाता है रेडिकेंड. ओके, नाउ नेक्स्ट वन इज सिंपलेस्ट फॉर्म ऑफ सर्ड्स. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, if we can write here square root of 48. Now look here, the factors of 48 such that one number should be a perfect square, therefore it can be written as square root of 16 into 3 which is equal to, now square root of 16 is equal to 4, therefore we can write here 4 into root 3. Now it is simplest form of surds. Now next topic is similar or like surds. Two surds are said to be like surds if their order is equal and radicands are equal. दो surds उस वक्त इक्वल कहलाता है जब उनका ऑर्डर भी सेम होना चाहिए और रेडिकेंड भी इक्वल होना चाहिए. If p and q are rational numbers, then p root of a and q root of a are called like surds. For example, square root of 2 and minus 3 square root of 2 are like surds. Now look here, square root of 2 and square root of 2 both are same, therefore it is a like surds. Next one, square root of 45 and square root of 80 are similar surds. It is also like surds or similar surds, लेकिन ये दिखने में similar नहीं दिखाई दे रहे हैं, but convert it into simplest form. Therefore square root of 45 it can be written as 9 into 5. Therefore square root of 9 into square root of 5. Now square root of 9 which is equal to 3. Therefore we get here 3 into square root of 5. Okay. Now next one is square root of 80. The factors of 80 are 16 into 5, therefore square root of 16 into square root of 5, therefore we get here square root of 16 means 4 into square root of 5. Now look here, after simplification square root of 45 it is converted into 3 into square root of 5, and square root of 80 which is equal to 4 into square root of 5. Now look here, square root of 5, here also square root of 5, therefore it is also a like surds or similar surds. ये दिखने में similar surds नहीं थे, but after simplification हमें पता चला है कि ये it is also a like surds or similar surds. Now the next topic is comparison of surds. Two surds of the same order can be compared by comparing the radicands. Surds के radicands को compare किया जाता है अगर उनका order same होगा तो. For example, compare the surds 6 into square root of 2 and 5 into square root of 5. Now look here, ये दोनों surds का जो order है वो same है, means it is true. Here the order is true, it is also order is true. Now here 6 into root 2 and here 5 into root 5. Therefore 6 it can be written as square root of 36 into square root of 2. 5 it can be written as square root of 25 into square root of 5. Now look here, 36 into 2 we get 72. Therefore we get here square root of 72, and here 25 into 5 we get 125. Therefore square root of 125. Now look here, order two surds of the same order. ठीक है, यहाँ पे दोनों के ऑर्डर कैसे है, सेम है. here also 2, here it is also 2. now compare the radicants. अगर ऑर्डर सेम होगा तब हम उसके रेडिकेंट्स को कंपेयर करेंगे. here 72, here 125. now 72 is less than 125, therefore we can written here square root of 72, it is less than square root of 125. okay. now next one, operations on like surds. एडिशन एंड सब्ट्रैक्शन कैन बी डन ओनली ऑन लाइक सर्स. सर्स में एडिशन और सब्ट्रैक्शन उस वक्त किया जाता है जब सिर्फ वो लाइक सर्स होंगे. अगर लाइक सर्स नहीं होंगे तो हम उसमें एडिशन और सब्ट्रैक्शन नहीं कर सकते. नेक्स्ट, rationalization of surds. If the product of two surds is a rational number, each surd is called a rationalization factor of the other surd. Now look here, square root of 2 into square root of 2, which is equal to square root of 4. Now we get here 2, means it is a rational number. 2 is a rational number, therefore square root of 2 is rationalizing factor of square root of 2. Now look here, second example, square root of 8 into square root of 2, which is equal to square root of 16, which is equal to 4. Now here 4 is a rational number, therefore square root of 2 is the rationalizing factor of square root of 8. Now let us see how to solve practice set 2.3. First question is, state the order of the surds given below. Write down the solution here. First, cube root of 7. Now look here, the value of n is 3, therefore the order of the surd is 3. Now write down here. The order of the surd is 3. Second one, 5 into square root of 12. Now look here, यहाँ कोई भी नंबर नहीं दिया गया है. नाउ द वैल्यू ऑफ n इज इक्वल टू 2. अगर कोई नंबर नहीं लिखा जाता है सर्च में तो यहाँ पे इसकी वैल्यू 2 होती है. देयरफॉर वी कैन राइट हियर. नाउ हियर द वैल्यू ऑफ n इज इक्वल टू 2, देयरफॉर द ऑर्डर ऑफ द सर्ड इज 2. ओके. नाउ थर्ड वन, फोर्थ रूट ऑफ 10. Now look here, here the value of n is equal to 4, therefore the order of the surd is 4. Write down here. The order of the surd is 4. Now next one, square root of 39. Now look here, again the value of n is equal to 2, therefore the order of the surd is 2. Next, cube root of 18. Now look here, the value of n is 3, therefore the order of the surd is 3. Write down here, the order of the surd is 3. Okay. Now next question, state which of the following are surds. Justify, हमें बताना है कि इसमें से कौन सा सर्ड्स है और उसका जस्टिफिकेशन भी देने का है. नाउ राइट डाउन हियर सॉल्यूशन. फर्स्ट वन, क्यूब रूट ऑफ 51. नाउ लुक हियर, हियर Radicants is positive rational numbers, and order of the surd means the value of n is natural, and cube root of 51 is an irrational number, therefore it is a surd. Because a surd is natural number, means n is greater than 1, and radicand is positive rational number. Okay, now second one, fourth root of 16 can be written as, look here, fourth root of 16 means fourth root of 2 raised to the power 4, which is equal to, look here, 2 raised to the power 4, and fourth root means 1 upon 4. Now here 4 and 4 cancel. Now we get here 2. Now look here, the value of the surd is rational number, therefore it is not a surd, which is not an irrational number. Therefore not a surd. Now third one. Third is fifth root of 81. Now look here. The order of the surd is natural number and the radicand is positive rational number. Fifth root of 81 is an irrational number, therefore it is a surd. Because the order of the surd natural number means n is greater than 1 and radicand is positive rational number and fifth root of 81 is an irrational number. Therefore, it is a surd. Next question is fourth one. Square root of 256. Now we know that square root of 256, which is equal to 16. Okay. Now 16 is, which is not an irrational number. ये irrational number नहीं है, therefore it is not a surd, इसलिए ये surd नहीं होगा. Okay. Now next one, fifth question. Cube root of 64. Write down here. Now it can be written as cube root of, now 64 means 4 raised to the power 3. 4 into 4 into 4. Now it can be written as 4 raised to the power 3 into 1/3. Now 3 cancel, we get here only 4. Now it is also एन इरेशनल नंबर. ओके, ये रैशनल नंबर हमें मिला है, मतलब ये इरेशनल नंबर नहीं है, तो इसलिए ये भी सर्च नहीं होगा. तो इसलिए हम लिखेंगे विच इज़ नॉट एन इरेशनल नंबर, विच इज़ नॉट एन irrational number, therefore it is not a surd. Okay, now next question is 6 square root of 22/7. It is a surd because the order of the surd is natural number. मीन्स n की जो वैल्यू है वो ग्रेटर देन 1 है, एंड रेडिकेंट इज पॉजिटिव रैशनल नंबर. ओके, एंड स्क्वायर रूट ऑफ 22/7 इसकी जो वैल्यू है वो इरेशनल नंबर है, एंड स्क्वायर रूट ऑफ 22/7 इज एन इरेशनल नंबर. Therefore it is a surd. Okay, now next question is classify the given pair of surds into like surds and unlike surds. First one, square root of 52 and 5 into square root of 13. Now look here, square root of 52. Now simplifies it. Now the factors of 52 such that one number should be a perfect square, therefore it can be written as 4 into 13. We know that 13 fours are 52. Now which is also equal to square root of 4 into square root of 13. Look here, square root of 4 means 2. Now we get here 2 square root of 13. And the next number is 5 square root of 13, and here we get 2 square root of 13. Therefore these are like surds. Therefore now 2 square root of 13 and 5 square root of 13 are like surds. Therefore square root of 52 and 5 square root of 13 are like surds. Okay, now next one, square root of 68 and 5 square root of 3. Now look here, now the factors of 68 such that one number should be a perfect square, therefore 68 it can be written as, we know that 17 into 4, therefore 4 into 17. Now write down here square root of 4 into square root of 17, which is equal to 2 into square root of 17. Now look here, square root of 68 means 2 into square root of 17 and 5 into square root of 3. Now both are unlike surds. Therefore 2 square root of 17 and 5 square root of 3 have their order equal, but radicands are different. यहाँ पर ये दोनों के ऑर्डर एक जैसे हैं, लेकिन इनका जो रेडिकेंट है वो अलग अलग है. ओके, देयरफॉर स्क्वायर रूट ऑफ 68 and 5 into square root of 3 are unlike surds. Now look here, third question. 4 into square root of 18. Now 4 into square root of 18. Now factors of 18 such that one number should be a perfect square. Therefore we can write here 4 into square root of 18 means 9 into 2. Now it can be written as 4 into square root of 9 into square root of 2 means 4 into, look here, square root of 9 means 3. Therefore 3 into square root of 2, which is equal to 4 3s are 12 square root of 2. Now look here, after simplification of 4 into square root of 18 we get 12 square root of 2. Now 12 square root of 2 and 7 root 2 are like surds. Therefore 12 square root of 2 and 7 root 2 are like surds. Therefore 4 square root of 18 and 7 square root of 2 are also like surds. Next one is 19 into square root of 12 and 6 into square root of 3. 19 into square root of 12. Now the factors of 12 such that one number should be a perfect square. Therefore 12 can be written as 4 into 3. Now look here, 19 into, it can be written as square root of 4 into square root of 3, which is equal to 19 into, now square root of 4 means 2, into square root of 3, which is equal to 19 to 38 square root of 3. Okay. Now look here, after simplification we get here 38 square root of 3 and next number is 6 root 3. Therefore they are like surds. Therefore 38 square root of 3 and 6 square root of 3 are like surds. Therefore 19 square root of 12 and 6 square root of 3 are like surds. Now next one, fifth question, 5 into square root of 22 and 7 into square root of 33. Now look here, the factors of 22 11 into 2 and the factors of 33 is 11 into 3. Now in this example 5 into square root of 22 and 7 into square root of 33 have their order equal. इनके ऑर्डर यहाँ पर इक्वल है, बट dedicands are different. Therefore 5 square root of 22 and 7 square root of 33 are unlike surds. Okay, now next question is 5 into square root of 5 and square root of 75. Now look here, if we simplify square root of 75, now it can be written as 25 into 3. Okay, now means square root of 25 into square root of 3. Now square root of 25 means 5. Now we get here 5 into root 3. Now look here, first number is 5 into square root of 5 and here 5 into square root of 3. Now These have their order equal but predicates are different. Therefore, these are unlike surds. Now, 5 square root of 5 and 5 square root of 3 have their order equal, but radicands are different. Therefore, five square root of 5 and square root of 75 are unlike surds. Okay. Now next question is simplify the following surds. हमें यहाँ पे इसे simplify करना है. Now first one, square root of 27. Now the factors of the 27 such that one number should be a perfect square. Therefore it can be written as 9 into 3, which is also equal to square root of 9 into square root of 3. Now square root of 9 means 3. Therefore we get here 3 into square root of 3. Now second is square root of 50. Now the factors of 50 such that one number should be a perfect square. Therefore it can be written as 25 into 2. Therefore which is equal to square root of 25 into square root of 2. Now square root of 25 is 5. 5 into square root of 2, which is equal to 5 root 2. Now next third one, square root of 250. Look here, factors of 250 such that one number should be a perfect square. Therefore it can be written as 25 into 10, which is equal to square root of 25 into square root of 10. Okay. Now square root of 25 is 5. 5 into square root of 10. Therefore it is also written as 5 into square root of 10. Next question, fourth one, square root of 112. Now look here, factors of 112. Find out the factors of 112 such that one number should be a perfect square. Now we know that 16 into 7. 16 sevens are 112. Now here it can be written as square root of 16 into square root of 7. Okay. Now square root of 16 means 4. 4 into square root of 7. It can be written as 4 square root of 7. Okay. Now next one, fifth question, square root of 168. Now find out the two numbers, means factors of the 168 such that one number should be a perfect square. Now here it can be written as 4 into 42. Now which is also equal to square root of 4 into square root of 42. Now square root of 4 means 2. 2 into square root of 42, which is also equal to 2 square root of 42. Okay. Now next question is compare the following pair of surds. हमें यहाँ पे compare करना है. तो surds को compare करने के लिए उनका ऑर्डर सेम होना चाहिए, तब उनके रेडिकेंड को हम कंपेयर कर सकते हैं. नाउ फर्स्ट वन इज 7 स्क्वायर रूट ऑफ 2 एंड सेकेंड नंबर इज 5 स्क्वायर रूट ऑफ 3. इट कैन बी रिटन एज 7 मीन्स 49. 7 can be written as square root of 49 into square root of 2. Okay. And here 5 it can be written as square root of 25 into square root of 3. Now look here, मल्टीप्लिकेशन कैन बी डन ओनली ऑन लाइक सर्ट्स, तो यहाँ पर दोनों का ऑर्डर सेम है, तो इसलिए हम इसको मल्टीप्लाई कर सकते हैं 49 इंटू 2, वी गेट हियर स्क्वायर रूट ऑफ 98 एंड हियर स्क्वायर रूट ऑफ 25 इंटू 3 मीन्स 75. नाउ लुक हियर, यहाँ पर दोनों का जो ऑर्डर है वो सेम है, तो हम इसके रेडिकेंड को कंपेयर करेंगे. नाउ हियर 98 इट इज़ ग्रेटर देन 75, जो 98 है वो 75 से बड़ा है, देयरफॉर स्क्वायर रूट ऑफ 98 इट इज़ ऑल्सो ग्रेटर देन स्क्वायर रूट ऑफ 75. देयरफॉर now square root of 98 means it is 7 square root of 2, it is greater than 5 square root of 3. Okay, now second one, square root of 247 and square root of 274. Now look here, 247 and here 274. Now here the order of the surd is same, means 2, दोनों का ऑर्डर यहाँ पे 2 2 है, तो हम इसके रेडिकेंड को यहाँ पे कंपेयर कर सकते हैं. ओके, नाउ here 247 is less than 274, therefore we can write here square root of 247 which is less than square root of 274. Now third question, look here, third question is 2 into square root of 7 and square root of 28. Okay, now write down here 2 into square root of 7 and square root of 28. Now 2, it can be written as square root of 4 into square root of 7. Now here it is square root of 28. Now simplified, 4 7s are 28, therefore 28 we get here also square root of 28. Now both are equal, therefore square root of 28 which is equal to square root of 28. Therefore write down the answer here, square root of 28 we get it from 2 into square root of 7 which is equal to square root of 28. Okay, now next fourth question, 5 square root of 5 and 7 square root of 2. Now solve it. 5 square root of 5 and next one is 7 square root of 2. Now it can be written as 5, it can be written as square root of 25 into square root of 5. Now here 7 it can be written as square root of 49 and here square root of 2. Now solve it. 25 into 5 we get it 125. Okay, now here 49 into 2, 2 9s are 18, 8 carry 1, 2 4s are 8 and 9. Now we get here 90. Now look here, both the surds contain the same order. Now compare its radicand. Now here 125 is greater than 98. Therefore square root of 125 is also greater than square root of 98. Now here square root of 125 means 5 root 5. Therefore 5 square root of 5 which is greater than, now square root of 98 means 7 root 2. Therefore we get here 5 square root of 5 is greater than 7 square root of 2. Now next question, fifth one. Write down here, fifth question is 4 square root of 42 and 9 square root of 2. Now solve it. 4 square root of 42 and next number is 9 square root of 2. Now look here, 4 it can be written as square root of 16. Okay, now square root of 16 into square root of 42. Now here 9 It can be written as square root of 81 into square root of 2. Now solve it. Square root of 16 into square root of 42. 16 2s are 32, 2 carry 3. 16 4s are 64 plus 3 67. Now we get here 672. Now solve it. 2 1s are 2, 2 8s are 16, 162. Now compare the radicands here. 672 greater than 162. Therefore, square root of 672 is also greater than square root of 162. Therefore, write down the answer here. 672 means 4 into square root of 42. Therefore, write down here 4 into square root of 42, which is greater than. Now, square root of 162 means 9 into root 2. Therefore, write down here 9 into root 2. Therefore, we get here 4 into square root of 42 is greater than 9 into square root of 2. Sixth question. 5 root 3 and 9. Now solve it. 5 root 3 and next number is 9. Now it can be written as 5 means square root of 25 into square root of 3, and 9 it can be written as square root of 81. Now solve it. Square root 25 into 3 square root of 75, and here square root of 81. Now the orders is same. Now compare its radicands. Now here 75 is less than 81. Okay, therefore square root of 75 is also less than square root of 81. Therefore 5 into square root of 3 is less than 9. It is the answer. Now next, 7th question. 7 and 2 root 5. Now 7, it can be written as 49. 7 it can be written as square root of 49, and here 2 it can be written as square root of 4 into square root of 5. Therefore, we get here square root of 49, and here square root of 4 5s are 20. Now look here, radicands. Therefore, 49 is greater than 20. Okay. Therefore, square root of 49 is also greater than square root of 20. Now write down the answer here. Square root of 49 means 7. Therefore, 7 is greater than 2 square root of 5. Allah Hafiz.